Okay, whoa. Can we please cool it down a little bit here? Jeez, how am I supposed to record this video with you looking so good like that? Huh? Come on. No, but really though, you look amazing today. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my 3 best tips for growing on TikTok this year.
So fasten your seatbelts because we're taking your content to new places. Hold on. Before we go anywhere, I'm gonna need you to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't worry, I'll wait. Hey, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And because you gave me something, I have something for you. Here you go. Who doesn't love a picture of a cute puppy?
Number 1, it's time to do some research. A lot of people jump straight into creating more content if they want to grow, but what I say to those people is,
hold on a minute.
Instead of trying to throw as many videos as you can at the algorithm, I always suggest doing your research first and understanding this platform like the back of your hand.
Hey, that's new.
How do you study TikTok though? We approach the content strategically versus the I've been mindlessly scrolling for an hour approach. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. What I recommend is set yourself a 15-minute timer, hop onto the app, and pay attention to the content with these questions in mind. What sort of videos capture your attention as you scroll on the For You page? What keeps you watching a video after you stop scrolling? Or on the other side, what makes you scroll past a video? And also note, at what point does a video get boring to you? And start to think what could have been done to maybe improve that. What makes you share a video with a friend or tag them in the comment section? All of these things we need to be paying attention to because it's gonna help our own content. Research first, create second. Number 2, we gotta upgrade that profile, my friend. Your profile plays such a big part in the decision for someone to follow you. So we want to increase the chances of them hitting that follow button by doing a couple things. Your username and your profile photo go hand in hand. And you want these to be clear on who you are and what you want to be known for. And for all of you who are freaking out on the other side of the screen because you're not sure exactly what you want to be known for, don't worry, put something down. You can always adjust it later. Another tip is add a name for your profile and focus on how you want people to find you or discover you because that name is extremely search friendly. For example, if we go into the search bar on our homepage on TikTok and I search a keyword like lifestyle, if I can spell here, we're just gonna search lifestyle. And then if I go over here to users, it's gonna pull up the people who have lifestyle in the name of their profile. So if I click on this very first one, this is Melina Lifestyle, and so you can see that there on her name. It's going to be the same as her username in this case, but that's what pulls up. Here in this one, the name is literally just lifestyle there at the top, so you can see that. So it's going to filter people based on the name on their profile. So this is just an example, but that's something that I want you to keep in mind. When it comes to your bio, you've only got 80 characters, which isn't a lot, and I really hope TikTok increases that character limit in the future. There isn't one type of bio that's going to work for everyone, but the biggest advice that I give to creators when it comes to their bio, gotta communicate the value that you and your content will provide to someone if they hit that follow button. People should be able to jump onto your profile and know what kind of content to expect from you. And they will follow you if they can identify how the content is going to benefit them in some way, shape, or form. And number 3, consistency is the name of the game. I'm pretty passionate about this one, and I just cringe a little bit when I hear other creators telling people to post like 10 times a day on TikTok. I'm not a big fan of that. And here's why. I very much prefer consistency versus frequency. And what I mean by that is I have found it much more effective to post 1 time a day for 30 days rather than posting 10 times for just 3 days over the course of a month. So my recommendation is make consistency a priority and build a posting schedule that works with your lifestyle that you can maintain. And let's just be real here, unless you have a team of people helping you produce content, posting 10 times a day, that ain't lasting long. Now, if this is sounding a little bit overwhelming, you're not alone. Learning the ins and outs of TikTok can kind of feel a little like this. And speaking of segues, let's talk about TikTok audits because I'm offering those now. What the heck is a TikTok audit? The definition of the word audit is an official inspection. So I'm going to be offering official inspections of your TikTok accounts. When you order your TikTok audit, you will receive a personalized video review of your account that will help you bring an outside perspective to your profile and your content. This audit is for anyone who wants to increase engagement, sell products or build their business on the platform, get better at making content in general, build that audience/community, and get more followers. I'll cover things like quality of content, frequency of content, research applicable to your content. Holy crap, how many times am I going to say content in this segment? Profile analyzation and recommendations, and a sustainable plan with action steps to help you reach your goals. And hey, psst, for a limited time, I'm offering these audits for free in exchange for a review. So book yours now before spots fill up. And hey, don't just take my word for it. James said Kyla's audit was incredible. Well, thank you so much, James. I really appreciate it. This review is really kind. There were not only a ton of very helpful reminders, but also a wealth of information in the way of things I hadn't even considered. She was able to give me insightful details on the perspective a newcomer might have when they visit my page and what they might like to see. I'm really looking forward to putting all of the information she provided into practice and seeing the success that comes from that. Can't recommend enough that you get one for yourself and see what you can do to improve. That review was very, very kind. And then also some words from Nick. He said, so amazing. I had no idea what to expect when I ordered this audit, but Kyla went so deep into my content and gave me a wealth of information. Heck yes, that's what we're all about. I just finished watching the audit and I'm suddenly so excited to do every tip she recommended. Kyla's help is already reinvigorating my creative juices, and I now feel so much more prepared to create content that's going to grow my platform and reach so many people. I cannot recommend her services enough. Thank you, Kyla. Dang, that always makes me feel so good reading these positive reviews from actual customers that have received their TikTok audits. So make sure you book your TikTok audit today. The link will be down in the description. And I honestly can't wait to take a look at your profile. Did you know that I challenged myself to go live on TikTok every single day for 30 days? And I documented the entire process? No? Well, it's pretty wild, so make sure you go and check out the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.